You know, we often look at a new year as just another date on the calendar. But let me tell you something, 2025 isn't just another year. It's a blank page in the book of your life, waiting for you to write your story. Think about it. Where were you this time last year? What were you dreaming about? What were you afraid of? And here's the thing, no matter how messy, complicated, or challenging the last year was, you made it. You're here. And that's your proof of strength. 2025 is not just about resolutions or goals. It's about a mindset. It's about believing, truly believing, that you are capable of more than you think. Maybe last year you doubted yourself. Maybe life threw curveballs you didn't see coming. But this year can be different. Why? Because you're different now. You've grown, even if you don't feel it. Every challenge you faced, every tear you shed, every moment you thought you couldn't go on, it all shaped you. It gave you resilience, strength, and wisdom. So let's make a promise, you and me. A promise to stop playing small. A promise to take risks. To fail if we have to, but to never stop trying. Because here's the truth. The life you dream of is not as far away as it feels. It's waiting for you. Just one decision, one step, one bold move at a time. And yes, there will be setbacks. There will be moments where you want to quit. But when those moments come, I want you to remember this. You didn't come this far just to stop now. You are capable of incredible things, more than you've ever dared to believe. 2025 is your year. It's the year you stop asking, can I do this? And start saying, I will do this. It's the year you stop waiting for the right time and realize the right time is now. So whatever it is that's in your heart, whatever dream, whatever goal, whatever change you've been scared to make, this is your sign. Start now. Start scared. Start uncertain, but just start. Because 1 year from now, you'll thank yourself. You'll look back and see how far you've come. And trust me, that version of you, the one who didn't give up, the one who believed, that version of you is so proud of the person you're becoming right now. 2025 is the year of possibilities, and it's waiting for you to show up. So go out there and make it count. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.